Hi there, tutor and dear mates. My name is Carmelina Garzonavando. This is the article choose the implementation of the model stage, the rural students' vocabulary. The model is an instructional model based on the constructivist approach to learning, which cites the learning built on constructing new ideas on top of their own ideas. This model can be used with the students of all ages, including adults. This author is Mohamed Rajman from State University of Malaga. This is abstract keywords. In this part, author talk about theoretical framework. But in this opportunity, I talk about the methodology used in these research. The design employed in the study was classroom action research. The classroom action research is used when it's necessary to improve learning and teaching process. In this case, it's about build the students' vocabulary. The classroom action research use a quantitative or qualitative method. Therefore, it's a mixed research. Use quantitative methods because the author use participant observation has data collection techniques. In this part, author explained the process in the participant observation. Design a plan of action, observing and monitoring the action process. On the other hand, these research use quantitative method because the author used questionnaire to data collection techniques. In this part, author explained the process about questionnaire. So it's important to account the setting of the research is foreign language academic which located Yale Strat Valley Capipan its Kalimantan province. The subject of the research were the second semester students who were taking vocabulary course. They chosen because they have poor vocabulary comprehension. This author explained the process to research. The classroom action research employed in this story follows Kami's model, each cycle consisting of 4 stages: planning, implementing, observing, and reflecting. The cycle continues when the criteria of success was achieved and there could be planning, acting, observing, and reflecting. This is process author follow to make your research. This is all. Thank you so much for your attention. Bye bye.